Do you hear that? Not my sigh, it's the rain. You see that? Overcast, dreary, rainy, dark day. It can affect the mood, and then you sound like this. So do you have your apples and oranges? Here's why. It should be a staple in your diet, not just because they're good for you, but apples and oranges. Oranges. Hi Constance, nice to see you again. So apples and oranges. Oranges. When you combine those two foods, something to do with pectin, and maybe I should have learned more about it before I made this video. Whoops, maybe I should have learned more about that before I made this video. But however it mechanically all works and the effect that it has on the brain when you combine those two foods and you eat them, it elevates your mood. This is scientifically proven. I learned about it in a lecture I attended not too long ago. So I figured it would be worthwhile to share that, especially on a day when it's dreary, rainy, and maybe you might need a little mood elevator or something to help elevate the mood. Eat some apples and oranges at the same time. Apples and oranges. And it should do something to help you lift your mood. Also, another thing, this I learned years and years ago from a doctor in orthomolecular medicine. And he said, I can't remember his name, but he said 2 handfuls of raw, unsalted cashews has the same therapeutic effect as a dose of Prozac. So that might be another mood booster in addition to a sanity booster. But for this video, just something simple. Well, the cashews are pretty simple too, so I guess they're both simple. Combine some apples and oranges. Apples and oranges. And that should help you elevate your mood. You should be working out instead of driving in the rain. Connie, I did my workout already today. Did you? That's also another mood elevator, by the way. A good workout. Oh man, it might be difficult to get into, but I actually did a live feed earlier where I showed you one beverage you can make that actually helps your metabolic processes as well as a state of arousal, which is really important to have going into a workout. To have this state of arousal, you get a better pump, better workout. So go back and look for that video because it's pretty valuable. So that's my only tip in this one to help elevate your mood. Combine apples and oranges. It has an effect on the brain, a chemical response where it helps elevate mood. And hey, if you like the idea of adding health and wellness to our lives, people around you as well as your own life, and making residual money from doing that and learning how to do that, private message me. Show you what I've been doing for a really long time, and if it turns you on, we'll do it together. Hi Deanna. I just ended. Well, I'm about to end, but the talk is over. Hi Anne. So for those of you that got on now and you missed it, just go to my timeline, my YouTube, wherever. It's going to be archived immediately as soon as I tap finish, and you can go back and watch. And my website, just like it's spelled here on social media, tomberkenmeyer.com. tomberkenmeyer.com. This is a mood elevator too, by the way. My website and doing this. Hi Kelly. Good morning everyone. Alright, so ending this video now, and it'll be archived on my timeline for most of you that missed it. Bye for now. Mwah. Make out kisses.